Theo. My name is Amanda Meyer, and I happened to come across your advertisement today on Yelp. And I did try to give you a call, but I wasn't able to reach you. So what I went ahead and did was I just made this customized video for you. Um, it's going to have a lot of valuable information for you, and I just want to educate you on. I did an actual audit on Seattle Pro Turf to see exactly what your internet presence was looking like, and I just want to educate you on everything that's going on with your business. You know what? And hopefully, all of this information helps. So, like I said, I did see your advertisement on Yelp, and I'm very much aware of, how much all of those ads cost. I work with landscaping companies all across the states, and so that's what, of course, prompted me to take a look and see what exactly you guys have going on. So let me just go ahead and jump right in here because there's a lot of information that I want to relay to you. So how all of this works is when your future customers are searching for your services. Obviously, everyone in need of anything picks up their phone or gets on their computer and then goes to Google, right? So, when I type in landscaping Kirkland, the first part that shows up when I get my results is what's called the Google Map Pack, and that's right here. Now, these are for all the local business listings and their Google business pages. Now, I do see that you guys have one. Yours is right here. When I did take a look at the businesses, ideally we want businesses to be in the top three spots. The reason for that is because that's what's immediately shown on the search results. Now, this section here is really important because this is where 30% of your business is going to come from. I did take a look, and you guys are in this local map pack, and you're sitting at rank spot 25. So definitely need more exposure and some additional optimizations to bring your Google business page, which is right here, have it climb the ranks and then be sitting ideally, of course, in one of these top three spots. So I just want to go over that a little bit with you. So here's your Google business listing. So the first couple of things is reviews. You've got 6 reviews. They're very good reviews. It's just not enough. So additional reviews to your Google business page would certainly help. Additionally, what you need are citations. So what a citation is anytime that your business name, address, and telephone number is listed on Google, Google issues you a citation for that. Your competitors, of course, you want to determine exactly how many they have. And then what you want to do is you want to beat them by roughly about 50 citations. Citations are also called business registrations. That would help your ranking tremendously. Your pictures on your Google business page are great. Love the imagery. Definitely want to add some more. That would be my key insight as far as the pictures go. And so adding about 15 more pictures would be fantastic. The other key thing to pictures is that they need to be geotagged correctly. Now, what that means is that the pictures need to be saved and tagged as keywords. Keywords, again, are the phrases that people are putting into Google when they are looking for your services. So, landscaping Kirkland, turf install Kirkland, or any of the service areas that you promote. You want to bring in all of that traffic. So that would be my suggestion with the pictures, additional reviews, additional citations, and you would see a dramatic increase in your ranking spot as far as your business profile goes. Again, 30% of your business comes from here, so that would really help things tremendously. The bottom line here is that you're advertising on Yelp, so you're either after more exposure, new leads, more clients, more business. I mean, that's what people advertise for, right? So, when we're talking about Yelp, we're talking about roughly 2.7 billion users. When we're talking about Google, we're talking about 83. So there's definitely, a no-brainer as far as what's going to draw you in the most business. The other nice thing about Google is when people type in, searching for your services, so Landscaping Kirkland, if they were to see you here in this top 3 spots, or they were to see you at least on the first page of Google and go to your site, you're going to get the best leads from that. And the reason for that is they're looking for your services, they're clicking on your site, they're going right to your site. They're not going to Yelp where all of the leads are sold on average to 4 to 10 companies. So then you cut out the aspect of all of the competition. So obviously, having a strong Google presence is critical. So all right, I wanted to explain the second thing here. So just below the Google Map Pack listing is what's called the organic listings. These are the websites. Now, this is the most important section because 70% of your business comes from here. Now, what I went ahead and did was I pulled your website and then I pulled your number one competitor's website so we can take a look at what they've got going on. I can explain to you in a little more detail and then offer some suggestions. So here's your website. I absolutely love this image. That is just an incredible image. You've got a nice looking site. You've got some, your services listed here and so forth. Beautiful pictures. I mean, you guys just do jaw-droppingly incredible work. That is, yeah, just beautiful. And then it looks like we've got some testimonials and then a little bit of context. So let me explain to you what Google does. So 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, Google crawls the internet. Now, what that means is that they are going and auditing every single site on the internet, and they're looking for two key factor bits of information. So the number one thing that they're looking for is command content. What command content is all of the words on your homepage. So all of this, every word. They're looking for a word count of 1,500. And the second thing that they're looking for is to have the organic keywords embedded and bolded and optimized throughout that command content. Just a quick reminder, again, keywords are the phrases that people are entering into Google when they're searching for anything to do with your company. So location and service, again, landscaping, hardscaping, turf, whatever the case may be, right? And so they're wanting to see, again, 1,500 words of command content, and then they're wanting to see your organic keywords embedded throughout that content. Now, I did take a look at the numbers, and it looks like you guys currently have 337 words on your site. So that needs to be brought up tremendously, and that would help you rise the ranks, obviously, with our overall number one goal to getting your Google business page to be in these top 3, and then your site, of course, at least listed on the first page of Google. Because I'll be completely honest with you, anyone searching for a product or service is generally going to go with one of these 3 companies. And 9 times out of 10, they're going to go with one of the companies that are on, in these top spots, but definitely on the page 1 of Google. So, that's what I would say, stands out the most and is the most critical for the current site that you have. And then, like I said, I wanted to go ahead and just show you what your competitor is doing, number one competitor for your area and services, and give you a little bit more info. So we've got Green Spaces Landscaping here. Again, they've got good images. Yours are just as beautiful, if not better. They've got some fancy icons, and they've got a sliding header, which is animated. That's cool. Now they're running at about 663 words. So to be honest, they're not even half of the way there yet, right? They do have a lot of organic keywords that are embedded within their content, and that's really crucially important. But with that being said, there's things that can be outdone with your site and can be done better than what they have going on with their site, obviously with the overall goal to reach that first page and then, outrank and take their position in the top spot in Google. So, Now what I went ahead and did was I pulled my web crawler program. So what this is live data from Google directly about how your site is performing. So here is your site, right? Now, the two most important factors that I want to tell you about are right here. So this is your UR, which is your power rating, your DR, which is your trust factor rating. These are assigned by Google, and these are determined by backlinks. Okay, now what a backlink is essentially a shout out from another website to yours, linking the two of you together. Number one, that's going to give you exposure. Number two, that's going to give you credibility. And number three, that's going to give you power, right? Here's the organic keywords that I was talking to you about. So the phrases being embedded within your content on your site, and it doesn't look like you guys currently have any. It looks like your site performance is just flatlined, and it's on a continual downhill slide. So with everything being considered that we just talked about as far as what's going on with your site, what it's missing, and so forth. What this says is this gives us an overall organic traffic rating of 0. So that doesn't, so what that means is that no folks every single month are traveling to your site. And so obviously, just like I was saying, the objective here is to get as much traffic as you can to your site and get you in the highest rankings so that you can, essentially weed out having to use Yelp altogether. That's the overall end game and end goal here, right? All right, so then what I went ahead and did was I pulled the numbers for your competitor that we were just talking about. Now, again, just as a reminder, this is their power rating. This is their trust rating. They're running at 448 of those backlinks that we discussed, and they've got, like I was saying, a lot of organic keywords. So they've got 681 of those keyword phrases embedded within their site, and with everything considered with them, they've got an organic traffic rating of 751. So what that means is that every month, 751 folks are going online. They are searching for the exact same services that you offer in the exact same areas. And 751 folks are seeing their site listed on that first page, and they are clicking on them, they're retaining their services, getting additional information, scheduling, whatever the case may be. The bottom line here is that is a lot of traffic to be missing out on. So with that being said, the implemented changes that can be made to your site and your Google business page would help your internet presence tremendously. Google is obviously the #1 search engine on the planet, right? And so diverting the amount that you're spending with Yelp, and putting it into is an investment, because your website, seattleproturf.com, is an asset. It's a digital asset. So you want to build something that you own. Obviously you own the business, but I mean, building the digital asset and the digital property is really important. It's obviously going to benefit you tremendously over, Yelp's, Angie's List, Thumbtack, any of these advertisement platforms, far beyond, any ability that they have. So I hope that this video has been, very informative for you. I hope it's given you some insight as to what exactly is going on with your business, and, what it could be doing for your business and growth opportunities and so forth. If this is something that you're interested in pursuing, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I'd love to help you out. If this is not something that you're interested in pursuing, I mean, that's okay too. I just definitely want to stress to you, the importance of having a strong internet presence. Everything is digital these days. Everything is, for the most part, centered around Google, and so it could really help out. So again, thank you so much for taking the time to watch all of this. I hope it's been super valuable, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks, Theo.